futures may actually be the future. I really like it, and I may be tapping into it. So we are going to break down today how I've been trading MNQ. That's the mini Nasdaq, the 100. And I'm telling you, I've been doing some paper trade, just testing it out because one of my students traded it and it's banging, banging, banging. So maybe the US 30, I may dip on the US 30 and actually add the futures, which is the MNQ, to or catalog or pair. I can still do the breakdowns because I'm sharp at it still, but I ain't gonna lie. The MNQ, the futures, I'm telling you, it's banging. So let us go over all these, and these are all paper trades that I took. I took all these trades that you see right here, and the secret sauce is playing out. So if you want to get the secret sauce, you have to link the Coleman Shan Boss. That's the only way that you can get in. So let's get right into it. Today is February 5. It's 9:51 currently here in Jamaica. And yesterday, I have a student, he trades the futures, this pair. And I was saying, okay, let me test it out and see how the strategy works on it. And I tell you, I'm impressed. I'm even impressed because I always trade it on the US 30 or the VIX 75, but I'm telling you, maybe look out to see a boy trading over here at futures, which is the MNQ. This pair, it fits almost exactly with the VIX 75, which is a very reliable pair, which gives some great moves and you can win consistently. So I'm really testing it out and I'm going to let you guys know how it plays out. So let me show you this breakdown, how I got this. When I came to the market, I saw this move playing out. Same process, you know. If you are new here, or blue rectangles, we draw on the daily as our level of strong support resistances. So you see these blue, and we cover the weak areas to just have that, you know, have a discretion. Not everything we just cover that week. And remember, we do it relevant to where price is. So price is within this region. It was up in this region first, but it's here now. So we want this little zone we want here. So as you notice, I have 5 blue zones now. Those I draw on the daily. And then again, you know, we go to our 2-hour time frame. That is where we get our market structure. And again, I'm going to say it again and again and again. Market structure is when the market create lower highs and lower lows in a downtrend, and the market create higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend. So when we see the market is doing something like it's creating lower highs and lower lows, our bias is buys. Doesn't mean the market has to buy, our bias is sells, but doesn't mean the market has to sell, but our bias would be sells. And then when we see the market creating higher highs and higher lows, our bias would be buys. So that is it. Simple, nothing too complex for you to confuse yourself about. And then now, I came and I saw price did this breaker structure. You know how we do our breaker structure. One price closed below this low right here, and then one confirmed. If I was looking, I could have probably got it up here because it was already in my strong level of support resistance. But I came and I saw it right here. So I was just saying, okay. So this big move, you don't have to worry about missing these big moves. So when I saw this now, price confirm, I said, okay, let me test my secret sauce zone on it. At first, I had a secret sauce zone right here. Yes, see it right here. I have the secret sauce zone right here. I have the secret sauce zone. No, over here. This is different. I have the over here. Price created let me show you how I broke down this one and caught it. So price created a little lower high right here, but it created a higher low right here. So price didn't go higher, but it failed to go lower as well. Then when price made this resistance right here, because if you notice, the candle didn't close above to confirm a higher high. So I said, okay, I was still banking off that strong sell momentum that it pushed. So that is why I have my black line right here to show that price did break it. And then now, I have my secret sauce zone, and you know, if you want to get a secret sauce, you have to link the Coleman Shan Boss. So when price came here and gave me a confirmation, I said, okay, let me try this for a 1 to 2, because I realized a 1 to 2 is what works best on it, using 30 or 300 points stop loss and a 60 point or 600 points, so however you would call it. And that is for a 1 to 2. You see that playing out, and then See, I took this one again and this one stopped me out first. But if I was looking for a second entry, I would have taken this entry again. I would have pushed down, and then I take this one again and it played out. I take this one and it played out, and I'm saying, no, something is going on here. This pair is really cooking, and it's the same thing I'm doing right here again. Came to a secret sauce zone, gave us that rejection, pushed down again, and then came right here again, gave us another one again, and then this one again, this one just played out. So you see how it is playing out. You see how many trades that from yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 setups between the space of less than 24 hours. So I'm telling you, your boy may really be looking at futures, and that is how I caught those trades, because price was already confirm in this strong sell momentum. So everything here, I was just looking for sells. I was looking for sells all day because I expected price to continue going down because of the strong sell momentum. So I was working off that market structure, and then price failing to go higher right here. And then now we just look for our secret sauce zone, but you have to know what you're looking for. So tap the link in the description, join that, get the one-on-one. I have the secret sauce masterclass. You can get that as well, and I'll answer your questions in the group. Or just tap in with me so you can get it. So that is what I look for on the MNQ, which is the Nasdaq, the mini futures, and I'm telling you, it's banging. And if we should look at our US 30 now, you know, our setups are still playing out, but this one plays out I think it plays out more smoother than the US 30. So your boy gonna check it out. And if you want to check it out with me and win with me over here at Team Coleman Chance, see we did this here on Sunday. We see how the market plays out. So you see how it happened? I mark up the chart right here. You see what price do? Came down, tap into our strong level of support resistance, then push up. So you could have got a buy right here, then price break above, came above right here, you could have got a sell right here again, and you could have caught a buy right here again, and you could have caught a buy. So many trades, but you have to know what you're doing. You have to understand how to mark the market structures, how to get that secret sauce where I get those killer entries that you see. You see, that's how people will say, oh, that stop loss is too small. Yes, sometimes it may stop you out, which any trade can stop you out. But if you notice how small my stop loss are, and the market is holding them, because we enter at the secret sauce zone when the market is most likely gonna push off. Once it's likely gonna push off, then we are in there with once we get to our confirmation, and you see how they're playing out, and I have screenshots. I'm gonna add a screenshot of so we're not just putting on these after the fact and saying how we could have caught them. I'm telling you how I actually click the trade and caught those trades. So we're not just making up stuff. So that is it for this breakdown. Let me see what price can do now. I didn't look what price can do now to show you a setup where you can get a setup now. Let us look at what the market is doing now to see if we can get a clean setup on the NQs to show you that we're not just, I can show you exactly how I do it so you can get the results for yourself. I remember, if you get results, I have my Telegram group link. Reach out to me. I have my personal one there too. So just send me the results that you get so we can know that people are benefiting from the videos. And if you are getting results, don't be a lot of people scared. Drop a comment, or if you share it with me personal, drop a fire emoji, drop a 1 in the chat so we know that you're getting all these gems from over here at Team Coleman Chance, so others can see that you are getting results too, and we can help them get results, because that is the mission. 2026, we're leveling up, taking things to the next level. And as I'm winning, I want others to win with me too. That gives me a great fulfillment, I'm not gonna lie, to see my students winning. I have my guys Peel, Alexis, they are passing their funded accounts. They are turning accounts from, building accounts from crazy amounts, 98 to 4K. My blood brother, I gave him the secret sauce zone, and he's absolutely killing it, just winning trades back to back to back. So I love to see that. I'm not gonna lie, I really love to see that, and it's the same thing I want for you as well. And now we're on the VIX 75. Let's look at this trade that I'm currently in. If you watch the videos, I'm telling you, you're not gonna see me doing anything different. Yes, the market may look a little different sometimes based on the setup, but it's always I'm going to be doing the same thing, because now we are in the very low of the VIX 75. I don't have any blue support resistance zones like you see I have here, but I have these blue lines. These are the daily support resistance zones, and you see how the market is currently pushing from them. So that is what I have now. Again, same formula. You see your market structure price broke right here on the 2 hour. Then price tap back into our secret sauce zone, gave me an entry, bam, I took the entry. Simple, just like that. So if you guys want to simplify the market, if I offered to simplify the market for you so you can make consistent profits, what I'm using to make what I build an account from 80 to almost 1,000, what my guy what my guy did from his first funded account, just remember, tap in, click the link in the description. So that's it for the breakdown today. Currently, I'm just watching these trades play out, but I had to come and give you all the gems so you can do it for yourself. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys got a lot of value. Watch it, rewatch it so you can get the value for yourself and apply it to your charts. Remember, send me the link. Send me the screenshots of the results that you are getting in my Telegram group. Link is there also as well. So that's it for this video, guys. Peace.